Day 8 is upon us. In today's smoothie, we are gonna have dandelion greens, the second half of the bunch that we used yesterday. We're gonna use strawberries, mangoes, and an orange. Pretty straightforward, pretty basic, but oh so delicious. So as with yesterday's smoothie, we're gonna chop up the dandelions a little bit. Those go in the blender. Strawberries go in, as do the mangoes. Notice we're not using banana today. We're going to take a break from banana. Bananas are kind of a staple ingredient, but every once in a while I get tired of them and I replace them with other things. In today's smoothie, the mango is going to be making the creaminess in the smoothie. And an orange peeled. Once the orange is peeled, go ahead and throw it in the blender. Give it a nice press. 1 pint of water. And we blend. Let's give it a little shuffle just in case. That's how we do it. Now remember, just because this is a smoothie doesn't mean you need to gulp it down. Remember to chew your liquids, masticate your food, because digestion starts in the mouth. Day 8. Good luck.